Welcome back to box break number 8 and the case break of Select 2011 Infinity at GameDayTradingCards.com. We'll open the first packet. And all commons there. Barry Hall, all Australian. Next pack. We're up to the 8th box in this case break and we still haven't hit one of our big redemptions yet. A few all Australians in that one. Lance Franklin, all Australian. Next pack. Also looking to try and hit a Dyson Heppel draft pick signature. And there's our award winner for this box, medal winner, and it's the Coleman medal, Jack Riewoldt, and that is medal winner number 2. That's our first packet of the box, and we've pulled one of the 1 in every 2 boxes premiership collection, and it's the Richmond Tigers, number PC 72, and it is number 82 of 400. So that's the 1 in every 2 boxes. This might be a Richmond Tigers box by the look of it. Next pack. Half expecting a Reece Conker signature, but it's not, and it's a Seb tape from the Gold Coast Suns. In defence at the Gold Coast Suns, and it's numbered number 80 of 275. Not too bad a number, not too high. So that's our draft pick signature for this box. Next packet. And it's our draft rookie, Tom Ledger, St Kilda. Numbered 333 of 400. Next pack. And best and fairest, Ryan Griffin from the Western Bulldogs. Next packet. It's a best and fairest from the Adelaide Crows, Richard Douglas. Next packet. And we've hit a draft rookie, Kirk Ogle from Collingwood. Not sure whether that's how you pronounce it. I apologise to him if I got it wrong. It's number 333 of 400 again. So that's a Collingwood draft rookie. Last packet for this box. Box number 8 in the case break. And we picked up a best and fairest. We haven't picked up one of these before. Mark Lacrasse. He's playing very well at the moment for the West Coast Eagles, sorry. They're having a good season, they're a team on the rise. Welcome back to the summary of cards we've pulled out of box break 8 in the series of 2011 AFL Infinity. Pulled out the 3 best and fairest again, Ryan Griffin, Richard Douglas and Mark Lacrasse from West Coast. Pulled out the 2 draft rookies, Tom Ledger, St Kilda. That's draft rookie number 33. And Kirk Ogle, I do believe, from Collingwood. And that's draft rookie number 34. Our medal winner for the box is Coleman medal, Jack Riewoldt. Medal winner number 2. And we've also pulled out a premiership collection in this, number 72, numbered 82 of 400, That's Richmond Tigers 1921. So that's our third one of those for the case so far. And our draft pick signature is Seb Tape from Gold Coast Suns, and that one's number 80 of 275. So we're 8 boxes into our case break, and we're yet to hit a redemption. So we've got 8 boxes to go, halfway there, and we should have 3 redemptions in the second half of this case. So looking forward to pulling one of those out so we can show you. All these cards will be for sale in the Game Day Shop eBay store starting on Friday, or our website store at gamedayshops.com. If you're looking to want to have a look at the product review of this release, go to gamedaytradingcards.com and have a look on there. We have a range of product reviews of trading card release by Select and other companies over the past few years. GameDayTradingCards.com will be giving away a box of this Series 2 AFL Affinity. Just go to www.gamedaytradingcards.com, follow the prompts to join up the Game Day Members Bar, and you'll receive your ticket in the prize draw. This is going to be drawn on October the 1st on Grand Final Day in our big YouTube event for the AFL. So get yourself in the draw for one of these boxes valued at $185. 36 packs per box, so this is a great opportunity to score yourself a box of this AFL Affinity 2011.